Is my marriage over? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Comment, your relationship expert. And in today's video, I really want to answer this question. Is my marriage over? What should I do? You need to understand something. It's never over. Until you divorce, and even when you divorce, it's not over. If you want to bring a new relationship inside your marriage, it's possible. You just have to think differently. Because most of the time, the people that I coach, they come to me and they ask me, Alex, I want to save my relationship. Do you think my marriage is over? And they're always focusing on love. I want my marriage to be good. I want my partner to stay with me. This is kind of a selfish attitude. I know it's not easy to hear that. I'm so sorry, but I have to tell you the truth. If you think that your marriage is over and you're scared, it's because you are focusing on the marriage, on what you want. It's important now to have a bigger picture. Is your marriage bringing you some enjoyment, some happiness, some excitement? I'm sure you will say no to all of these questions. And I'm telling you, this is the problem. This is the root, the source of your problem. So what happened now, if you want to make sure that your marriage is not over, we have to come back to this equation that I found. Love equal happiness. Love equal happiness plus attraction. It's not about your marriage. It's about the attraction, guys. You need to be that person that you were at the beginning of the relationship. You need to pay attention to your appearance, the way you look. You need to pay attention to all of the social communication that you can have. You need to put yourself on a pedestal. Your marriage is not over until you try everything to save it. And I know that it's not easy to ask help from a coach, but I encourage you to book a coaching session. Because if you don't act now, you're going straight to the breakup, straight to the divorce, straight to the depression. And I don't want this for you. That's why you can leave some comments, because we are here with the team to answer every single question. That's why we need to subscribe, to hit the button right here. Why? Because every single day we are giving you some advice to change your love life. Your marriage is not over until you become the best version of yourself. And it's not about saving the relationship. It's not about showing love to your partner. It's always about you, your personal confidence, the way you will recreate attraction. Once we have this, we can rebuild the marriage, for sure. So, it's time now to make some decision. Leave a comment with what will you do to make sure your marriage is not over. Give us a like, subscribe, and come on withmyexagain.com/coaching. I know with my ex again, and you will tell me, Alex, my marriage is not over, it's not my ex. It's about love and relationship. Forget about the name of the website, okay? Come on our website, book a coaching session, and I will be here to help you change your love life, to change your marriage for the best, and only the best, because best is what you deserve, guys. And I will see you soon for a new video. Bye-bye.